Hi everyone, it's Friday the 2nd of October and it's time for Celebration Assembly again. Let's see who's been doing some amazing learning this week. We start with our youngest children in reception. Our first certificate goes to Tommy in Wotton A. Tommy, you have been putting so much effort into your music and movement. You really listen well and join in all the time. That's fantastic. And Alana in Wotton B is a very keen musician. Alana, you have even gone home and written your own piece of music. Mrs. Rumans was delighted. Well done to you. From Bothen class, Lorraine has completed her morning handwriting practice brilliantly. Lorraine, you're always the first one in and you don't stop working until we start the register. That's absolutely brilliant. What a great role model you are. In Allington class, May has done some fantastic reasoning in maths. And Max, you have done some fantastic part-whole partitioning, thinking of lots of different ways of working with your numbers. Brilliant. Well done to both of you. Now we move to Key Stage 2, to Chilcombe A. Harrison, you have been working very hard and been very resilient in all that you do. It's a pleasure to teach you. And in Chilcombe B, Ella, you have been fantastically creative and resilient when making Stone Age tools. I've seen some of these tools coming in this week. What a great job and so much fun. In Egerton A, Ella has continuously demonstrated the right attitudes towards working. Ella, even when you're faced with challenges, you still persevere. Well done. In Egerton B, Orla, you have a responsible and positive attitude towards your work. And Barney, you have really turned things round this week. You've been finding ways to come into school and really enjoy your learning. I'm so pleased to see that. Now we move to years 5 and 6. In Colmers A, William and Millie, you have both been very focused in class all the time, catching up on any maths you might have missed the day before. You've been really responsible learners. In Colmers B, Summer has shown the value of responsibility. Summer, you have taken great care to try your very best in every lesson. You're a conscientious worker and a superstar model for the rest of the class. Thank you, Summer. What a pleasure to have you in class. In Langdon A, Abby and Max are here for being absolute superstars all day, every day. They are fantastic role models. You both always behave impeccably. You're polite, you're respectful, responsible, and follow the class charter consistently. Well done to both of you. And in Langdon B, we welcomed Skye. Skye, you've been resilient, settling in so quickly to year 6 and showing other children lots of kindness. Fraser, your certificate is for showing much more creativity and resilience in the past few weeks. What fantastic news, Fraser. Well done. A huge well done to all of you who have received one of my certificates this week. It's a pleasure and a privilege to celebrate all your hard work and efforts. As always, I'd like you to take a moment now to reflect on your own week. What are the things you've tried really hard with? What have been your successes, your achievements? What are you most proud of? Although the weather doesn't look too great, I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Have a good rest, and I look forward to seeing you again on Monday morning. Bye for now.